Hello crypto enthusiasts and fans of Bingx. Welcome back to another exciting video where we dive deep into the world of cryptocurrencies and explore the ins and outs of one of the leading exchanges, Bingx. Today, we're going to discuss something crucial: how to deposit funds into your Bingx account. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your journey, this video will provide you with a comprehensive guide to navigate the deposit process seamlessly. So grab a pen and paper or simply pay close attention because you won't want to miss a single detail. Before we begin, let me remind you that if you're new to Bingx, you can use the referral code 911 during registration to get some exciting bonuses and perks. But more on that later. Let's first focus on the deposit process. Bingx offers a wide range of deposit options to cater to the diverse needs of its users. Whether you prefer traditional fiat currencies or cryptocurrencies, Bingx has got you covered. Let's explore the different deposit methods available. 1. Cryptocurrency deposits. One of the most popular and convenient ways to fund your Bingx account is through cryptocurrency deposits. Bingx supports a vast array of digital assets, including Bitcoin BTC, Ethereum ETH, Tether, and many more. The process is straightforward and relatively quick, making it an ideal choice for seasoned crypto enthusiasts. To deposit cryptocurrencies into your Bingx account, you'll need to follow these steps. A. Log into your Bingx account and navigate to the deposit section. B. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit from the list of supported assets. C. Copy the provided deposit address or QR code specific to the cryptocurrency you've chosen. D. Transfer the desired amount of cryptocurrency from your external wallet or exchange to the Bingx deposit address. E. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the funds will be credited to your Bingx account, typically within a few minutes. It's essential to double-check the deposit address and ensure that you're sending the correct cryptocurrency to avoid any potential issues or losses. 2. Fiat currency deposits. For those who prefer to fund their accounts using traditional fiat currencies, Bingx offers a range of options, including bank transfers, credit, debit card payments, and third-party payment processors. The availability of these options may vary depending on your geographic location and local regulations. A. Bank transfer. Bingx supports bank transfers in various currencies, making it convenient for users to deposit funds directly from their bank accounts. The process typically involves initiating a wire transfer or SEPA transfer for European users from your bank to Bingx's designated bank account. B. Credit. Debit card payments. For a more convenient and instantaneous deposit method, Bingx allows users to fund their accounts using credit or debit cards. This option is particularly useful for those who need to deposit funds quickly or prefer the ease of card payments. See third-party payment processors. Bingx also partners with various third-party payment processors such as AdCash, PaySafe, and others to provide additional deposit options to its users. These payment methods may be region-specific and can vary based on your location. When depositing fiat currencies, it's crucial to follow the instructions provided by Bingx carefully. This includes providing the correct reference or transaction details to ensure that your funds are properly credited to your account. 3. P2P trading. In addition to the traditional deposit methods, Bingx offers a unique feature called P2P trading. This platform allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users, effectively facilitating peer-to-peer transactions. By leveraging P2P trading, you can potentially deposit funds into your Bingx account using a wider range of payment methods, including local bank transfers, cash deposits, and even gift cards. The P2P trading platform on Bingx is designed to be user-friendly and secure, with built-in escrow protection to safeguard both buyers and sellers during transactions. Regardless of the deposit method you choose, Bingx prioritizes the security of your funds and personal information. The exchange employs industry-leading security measures, such as cold storage for the majority of its digital assets, multi-signature wallets, and advanced encryption protocols. Additionally, Bingx is compliant with various anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations to ensure a safe and transparent trading environment. Now, let's circle back to the referral code I mentioned earlier. If you're new to Bingx, be sure to use the referral code 911 during registration. This code will unlock exclusive bonuses and benefits such as trading fee discounts, reward points, or even free cryptocurrency credits, a great way to kickstart your trading journey on Bingx. In conclusion, depositing funds into your Bingx account is a straightforward process with multiple options available to suit your preferences. Whether you choose to deposit cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, or leverage the P2P trading platform, Bingx provides a secure and user-friendly environment for all your trading needs. Remember, always double-check the deposit details, follow the instructions carefully, and don't hesitate to reach out to Bingx's customer support team if you have any questions or concerns. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss an update. Until next time, happy